I love this washing machine. It's got so much power. It just washes everything. It's got 2 sweatshirts in there, no problem. I went from a little washer to a large washer. So this one can wash everything. My sweatshirts, my towels, sweatpants, jeans. It works awesome. And you don't have to fill it up all the way with water for it to work. And I put it on this stand to help drain it. And I just have my little bowl there for the drain area. It works great. I love this thing. I'm glad I bought it. It was a really good investment.
Another TikTok find.